Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to activate O2 eSIM step by step, QR code setup, transfer and activation guide. Step 1. Get your O2 eSIM QR code. So using the My O2 app, open the My O2 app and sign in into your account. Then tap account and look for the eSIM profile ready notification. Then open the notification to view your eSIM QR code. Now using the O2 website, sign in into the O2 account on computer or other devices. Then go to SIM settings and select install my eSIM profile and replace SIM or switch to eSIM. Then display the QR code on the screen and leave it open for the next step. Step 2. Install the eSIM on your phone. So keep the QR code visible on a second device while completing the setup on your phone. For iPhone, open the settings. Now tap mobile services or cellular. Then select add eSIM or set up mobile service. Then tap use QR code and scan the O2 QR code. And follow the on-screen instructions to add a label your new mobile plan. Then tap done when the installation is complete. For Android and Samsung phones, open the settings, then tap connections or network and internet. Then select SIM manager or SIMs. Now tap add eSIM or download an eSIM and choose scan QR code and scan the O2 QR code and follow the prompts to download the eSIM profile. Step 3. Complete activation. After the eSIM profile has added, open your SIM or cellular settings and select the new O2 eSIM and make sure it is enabled. If prompted, choose it as your default line for calls, text or mobile data. Now restart your phone to refresh the network connection and wait for the O2 network signals to appear. Then the activation time. Most O2 eSIMs activation complete within a few minutes. In some cases, full network registration can take up to 24 hours. Once activated, you will be able to make calls, send text and use mobile data normally. So goodbye and thanks for watching.